Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can repost an Instagram story. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. There are a few different ways you can go and repost Instagram stories. So first of all, I'll show you how you can repost an old Instagram story that you previously taken, and secondly, how you can repost other people's Instagram stories. So if you wish to repost one of your old stories, first of all, come to your profile page. It'll look like this. And then what you need to do is go to the top right, click on the three lines, and then from this list, select Archive. Click on the Archive option and make sure you select Stories Archive. And you can then choose the story which you wish to go and repost. For example, I may want to go and repost this one here. Then once you've clicked on it, click on Share at the bottom. And then what we can do is go and start to edit it. You can go and add text, add stickers, etc. And then when you're ready, you can go and click on your story in the bottom left, and you can go and put it onto your story. So as I said, you can also go and post other people's stories. Now, it's important to note that to go and properly repost somebody else's story, you need to be tagged in it. When you get tagged, you're going to go and receive a message. As you can see, my friend is mentioned me in their story. So I can click here and I'll get a DM. And then what I could do is go and click on Add Your Story. Or alternatively, from the profile page, click on their story and you can then go and click on Add Your Story in the bottom. Or if you just go and see their story, you can click on that button as well. You can then position it like so, add text, add stickers, etc. And you can then go and post it on your story. Now, if you wish to go and repost a story where you're not tagged in, and the only thing you could do really, which is not ideal, is going to take a screenshot of it, but you should go and ask permission before going and then reposting it on your story, and make sure you go and tag them or have an agreement with them for how you want to go and credit them for their story. So that's basically how you can repost an Instagram story. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.